Hi, my name is Nigel. I run this section which we call ceiling line, line 1. This tells us how heavy or light the glue is. If the glue is too light, we turn it up. If it's too heavy, we turn it down. You've got to be within a certain parameter. Spray the water as well, and you take the water weight, but windows need to be. Also, these plastic pieces here, which we run the wires through, trunking we call it. Once that is in place, as you can see, it all needs to be exactly the place you see now. Once this section is sprayed, we will put the interior GRP, which is rolled up on the top coil there. This fan here is about 6.3 metres long, or the ceilings.
And then with one of the cutouts for every panel that we produce, ceiling, near side, offside, or floor, we do what we call a bond check. Pull the external skin, because the external skin is the first one applied, so that is your open time that you work to make sure you've got good transfer, polystyrene to the GRP. And that's what you're looking for, okay? And we do that on every single panel that we produce to maintain, but we're a little bit tight for space, I do apologise. Okay, right, this section here, obviously this is the offsides and that's the near sides. I don't know if any of you have had a factory tour before, have you, at all? Well, you may remember that we used to finish sides offline towards the end of the exit there, okay? But during the summer, I've just had the fourth line, which is the floor plant, which used to be over the other side, still under my jurisdiction, but more difficult to police because it wasn't under my roof. We've now installed it over, which we always planned to do so. So everything's under one roof. It's easier for me to police, but we've had to make room for getting products out. So therefore, we've had to finish sides as they come off here. But I was a bit concerned about it, obviously, because it was going to be quite fast.
Now this stock is furnished by 150 suppliers. Up to about 7 or 8 years ago, it was only about 45 suppliers. So you see how the company's grown. The stock is held in 3 areas mainly. Here, the yard out there, and the factory. We have 7 forklifts which serve as the factory fixing the other supplier for all the small injected moulded parts. Okay. Now what I'll do now is get Rob, because we rotate our stock.
Okay, this is the floor. Okay, exactly the same as it was last Christmas and last year, the last time we came. This is the underside of the floor. This side of the floor comes down floor. Each station, or battle stations as I like to call them, is typically manned by anything up from 4 to 6 people. So 4 people will put the chassis together. They'll put the wheels to the axle to the chassis. From that point there, it's all folded up, it's ready to go to station 1A. So if you want to follow me around here, there like that. Right, this is station 1A. This is basically the heartbeat of the factory. This is where the vans come on the floor, push the wires, bolt it, and then just there with the station as well. So what the guys do the trimming of the liner is quite something. So the speed that they can work cutting all these holes. Once you've done a couple of handling, remember he was sat there with the axle, weight distribution. As you can have a look at some of this furniture, keep the weight down, instead of being solid like it used to be, when they put styrofoam. They're put on we've actually made these.
Yeah, it's only, yeah.
Trapped with them on top. Then anything that's sides, yeah, you see the and he said,
Is that a new thing?
well, she gave me up to take it out.
That's longer than the ones I've seen in the demonstrators.
That's a standard tool. Sorry. Yeah, the shell doesn't come out far enough and it wasn't big enough for a right plate, so I didn't do that. If you could pass that on, I'm sure we are already aware of it in the design department, and they're probably
also in the heart of the furniture shop. Station 5, we do testing equipment where we test all the power throughout the van. We also test the cooker to make sure that the igniters work. We test the pressure in the water system. We've got our little tester up there on the top of the wall. That's the one we use for testing the system. We have Palamatic or anything like that. Generally the sides are just tractor brings them up to some before, put them there.
Missed it all out. Now we put our panels fitting station 7, and we finish it off on station 1, this area here. Also in the van, we do numerous things. We fit mirrors, crockery racks, we fit toothbrush holders, magazine racks. Just basically finishing off the van, ready to progress onto the O-line to be finished off completely. So really, it's just a process. Once the side of seals go on, it's a process of finishing off the vans inside. Mark. This is a small panel shop. We do all the internal bits in. We have 6 CNCs, a side flex, which is a CNC. We have a ding saw. This one. But we could have any of the panels that you see around, or 12 of the panels into this machine. Usually to the bench here, so once this machine to the bench, I'm going to put the rolos in. This is pretty simple panel, there's 3 rolos. This could be a number of 16 drills in there, so we get a maybe combination. It's just tracing round now, but it'll give you some impression if it was cut in. A blank panel out. 10 position tool changer in there, so we can use any cutter or any other panel we're using. All the CNCs are set up exactly the same.
Good morning, everybody. My name's Paul. Many years ago, I started working here. If we wanted to make something like that, as you'll probably see in your caravan somewhere, and to achieve this, we've opened this area. The quality that comes out of the factory has not changed. The same amount of inspection, the scragging still goes on. The difference is we've got more.